Okay, so looking at the Dow on the daily here, we have 25 minutes to go till the close, and we've got a little bit of a bounce into an area of resistance. This is the Sunday open here, this bar here, this little bar here. So obviously I don't know where we're going to close in the next 25 minutes, but we seem to be at least hovering around this area. We have been as high as 950-ish. So we're miles away from the daily 8, which is up here, just and 16,100, and we are underneath the daily 100 here. So I mean, if we can hang around here, we stand a chance of building on that and getting some kind of bounce, possibly to 50%. We've got Fed days on Wednesday, so we could be sideways until we get that out of the way. But all the time, this is a huge sell bar here. So with the fibs on that level there, I would just look to see if this can creep its way up and give us a chance to short either around here or around here. But not much to do at this stage. If you are short, stay short. Whenever you get a situation like this, I would just short any highs, because if we just come in tomorrow and break that low, then we're heading for at least this area here and possibly this 15,400. But it could be we just move sideways in the range like this until the Fed day, and then we get a decision. So if we break higher, we'll push back up here, and of course if we break lower, we're aiming for the 127 extensions. Pound yen has had a good day, and that's an overnight hammer with a Sunday open. That's the hammer you can see there off the 23.6% fibs, and we are right into the 50% on the daily chart. So a lot of resistance here with quarter-on-quarter GDP and services index tomorrow. So if the market likes that, I was going to say that if it's good, but yeah, it's all down to what the market thinks is good and bad. If the market likes that, we break that high, we could get back up to this upper fibs level up here. Pound US coming right into where I've got my fibs at the moment, which is this high from 2nd of January. That's a significant move. So markets seem to be anticipating some good data tomorrow. So any pullback on this one round about the 165.40 area or lower is to be bought. The same goes for the euro. The very resilient euro. We're holding up here, so this is looking like a bullish consolidation at the moment. Big bar up. The 50 EMA is under here with the 8 and 21 crossing through. So any lower touches of that could see that drop higher. We are slightly lower than Friday's close, so there are definitely some weaknesses there. But pound is the best chart out there. I mean, as we speak, it was still pushing higher up here. So I like the pound. US dollar yen, not too far off the pound yen. That's a new low on the, if you include the Sunday's action, it's a new low close above next day. So at the moment the pullbacks on these charts are getting bought. The euro yen, same story, very similar story. The pound yen has had the bigger move out of all of them. And quick look at the other charts. Aussie US, a little bit of a bounce off the lows there. US dollar CAD holding up. So we've just had a pullback to the daily 8. Daily 8 was down there, and that's got bought. So we are still seeing sort of CAD. I think it's got more to do with CAD weakness than dollar strength. We've had some very poor data out of the CAD. We've got CAD GDP later in the week, which is also meant to be weak as well. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for there. Let's quick look around the other parts of the market. Oil is coming off. That's back down to a fib level of support. The 8 and 21 down there. I would just steer clear. Just let that wiggle around. However, if we do come down to 94.40 and hold, I would buy in again. Potash dropped into the box and sitting on top of the box, so that's still a watch. I'm out of rough rice, although that is looking like quite a nice buy today. Took some profits out of that and got the stop to break even, gave that back. Beans, weak. Still can't get through the daily 8. But the corn is shaping up. I mean, since we had that 425 move, it's better. We are above the 8 and 21, so you know, we are getting higher closes after this big move to the upside on the 10th. And the wheat is just not doing it. This is what puts me off the grains. Yeah, we have not got convergence. Gold sold off, so moved up into 1280 on Sunday. So these market conditions are proving to be tough. But let's see if this can drop down to a support level to give us a chance to get a decent trade out of that. Let's have a look at some key US stocks. NGLS. Gap had a rough week last week, but that's holding up this week. Will I get back into that? No, the chart's getting too ragged. And Goldman's, ooh. So if the likes of Goldman's are coming off and Bank of America are coming off, we are still in weak territory. Apple are announcing results after, it must have been literally about 20 minutes. So keep an eye on Apple. Let's have a look at some other stocks as well. MGA, I'm triggered. So I'm triggered a short on it. Am I triggered? Nope, sorry, I didn't get a fill on this one. I was looking for a pullback here and I didn't get a fill. Sorry. LYV I'm in. So I wanted a pullback on this one. I went just under 2100 and just got in. So I'm nursing a little bit of profit in there. Looking to see if that's holding a trend line. I can see. I just need to see if we can keep. So I need a lower close. So I can get my stop just above Friday's bar, but I need a lower close in LYV. A pole, I'm filled in. No, I'm not filled in that one. UAL, that's why I'm filled in. UAL, sorry about this. Filled at 469. I'm currently 45.65. So let's see if that one can close lower. Alright, leave it there. eBay. Whoa, what's happened to eBay? That's a nasty tick. Let me look at that on a different chart. That doesn't look right. I can't believe that's gapped down to that level and popped back up. That's a bad tick, I think. Alright, I'll leave that there and catch up with you soon. Thanks, bye. Make sure you're in the room tomorrow. There is a lot going on tomorrow. Okay, thanks.